Namaste, children. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. I hope you enjoyed the summer with eating yummy mangoes. Okay. I also hoped you are relaxed, recharged, and ready to start new session. I'm so delighted that you are a part of our amazing learning community. I welcome your value, positive energy, and dedication to excellence in education through this online teaching. Children, we had learned unit 1 in that sports unit. We had completed lesson 1 and 2. Again, now we are going to start unit 2. That unit 2 name is travel. Okay, at page number 22. There is a tree regarding travel means going from one place to another place. For that, many purposes are there. You learn travel and that social. Okay, in that particularly in this travel is related to vacation time. Okay, you page number 22, there is a tree, that holidays tree. So one blurb is filled with a kind of see, I go to hill station in summer holidays, that where you want to go in the summer vacation, we have to had a plan. So in that plan, they are planning to go to hill station. Okay, you can write remaining for your own ideas. Where do you want to go? Okay, I go to Mumbai in summer holidays. I'll go to um, Ooty in summer holidays. I go to London in summer holidays. I go to Delhi in summer holidays. Like that, you can write. Okay. Then in that A, under A section, A.1, where did you go for spending your last summer vacation? Tell your partner about your visit. So the lesson 3 from second unit is travel plans. It's a poem. Okay. Now, this poem, Travel Plans, is written by Bobby Kurtz. Okay. She is an American poet. Bobby Kurtz was born in Newburgh, New York in 1933, a former editor at Random House. Kurtz has published many rhyming picture books for elementary school students, including Trailblazers, Poem of Exploration in 2007, Once Around the Sun in 2008, Pocket Poems in 2004, A Rumpus of Rhymes, A Book of Noisy Poems in 2001, and Gems in 1996. These are the books written by the Bobby Kurtz. Kurtz uses rhyme to catch children attention. Her specialty is an uh, rhyme scheme. That is what uh, rhyming words to uh, grab the attention of the children in order to educate and entertain them. Kurtz once told contemporary authors, I write for children because I hope to join those writers and artists who delight, sensitize, and give hope to children. She told these words. She had led numerous poetry workshops for children, teachers, and librarians. She lives in upstate New York. Now she is alive. Okay. She is a well known poet. Okay. In the snow, deep in the ocean, talk to your fish. If you could go anywhere that you could wish,
Now you've got yourself something funky.
If I could go anywhere, here is what I do. I would pop in the pouch of a kangaroo. I would travel around for as long as I please. And I would learn to say thank you in kangaroese. I would go through the whole of a needle like thread. I would spin like a top on the point of my head. I would skate on an ice cube. I would swim in a glass. I would ride on a grasshopper if one should pass.
Now you've got yourself something funky.
And when I got tired of being so small, I would abracadabra myself to be tall. I would step over ocean, I'd step over seas. I'd cause a few shipwrecks if I had to sneeze.
Something funky.
I would pat a giraffe on top of his head. I would find out for sure if North Pole was red. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I'd know how to turn back into me.
You got yourself something funky.
Children, we had learned this poem, Travel Plans. Okay, it's a poem. Okay, now just there are 5 stanzas in this given poem. Just listen the poem again to get the tune. Okay, just you enjoy this poem. Uh, it's a question. What is that? If you want to go anywhere, suppose in the summer vacation, you have chance to go somewhere else. So you should have a plan to go where you want to wish, where you want to go. Okay. This is the Bobby Cuts. Here I always given here. It's a I means here Bobby Cuts. Bobby Cuts is saying all these where she wants to go. Okay. If you have a chance, where will you go? Do you want to go to jungle, snow, or ocean? Okay. These are all given just to enjoy the poem. Next class, I will explain this poem. But before that, by the next class, you should learn. I will ask, suddenly, I will ask anyone, I'll call and ask, did you learn this poem? Okay, I will take online test for registration also. Okay, get ready, children. Thank you. Next class, I will explain this poem clearly.